Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to change out the front turn signal and hazard bulbs on a Pontiac Firebird. So let's go ahead and get started. Coming along the front, you have your fog lights here on the outside. Here on the inside, this is your turn signal. On the side, you have your marking light, which on some cars also blinks with the turn signal. But this is what we're talking about right here. So that's what we're going to be changing. So let me show you what you'll need to complete this. All you'll need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket. There's 3 10mm screws underneath, so you can remove the access panel. And then you'll need the replacement bulb, which is a 3457A, and it's the amber one, and that's what you're going to need. So coming along the front, you slide underneath here. Here's one 10mm in the front, one towards the back, and then if we tilt back this way, there's one up in this corner. Those are the 3 that you'll have to take off, and then this panel here can be moved, and you can access the harness and get to the bulb from there. All the screws are off, so what you'll do is you'll take this panel, slide it out of the way, and then this one drops down and gives you the access, so that way you can get your hand up in here and then get to the bulb and undo the harness. So coming in here from the bottom, you can see my hand. I'm here at the back of the turn signal. You have the harness that all you do is you turn it to the right, and then you can pull it out with the bulb. Now, I don't have gloves on to remove the old bulb, but when you put the new one on, it's recommended that you use either a cloth or gloves. That way the grease from your hands, they say, can deteriorate the life of the bulb. To be honest, I don't use gloves all the time. I've never had any issues, but just to follow the proper procedures. So we're going to go ahead and remove this one, and then we'll go ahead and put the new one in. Here's the bulb. You can see it from the bottom. This one's completely gone. You can see it's all clouded and burned out. But that's the access that you have. If I pull back, it'll give you a better idea. So that panel folds down, and then you can access it this way. So unfortunately, I can't get the camera in here, so I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. And to pull it out, literally this one just pulls right out. So you'll just pull it. Let's see if I can get it here. And that's it. You just pull it out, and then now we'll slide the new one in, and then we'll put it back in and try it. Here's a better look. Look at the difference with the burned out versus the new. The bulb's cracked, and I've never seen one burn out like that before. That's pretty bad, but either way, we'll put the new one in. So I have the bulb in place. As we bring it up in here, slide it up. You can see it's lit up already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put this whole socket assembly into the groove, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it clockwise all the way, and then it'll lock it into place. Here's another view here from the top. So when you're looking down on it, you can see the harness coming in here to the back. There's your assembly. So all you would do is you'd push this clip down right here, rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. And then if we pull that out, there we go. And then to put it in, you're going to line it back in and then turn it and rotate it clockwise to lock it into place. Next thing that you want to do is tighten all this back up, put that hatch, little access panel back, put the 3 10mm back in. All right, so we have everything put back together. Let's go ahead and test the light, and then that'll wrap this up. There it is, nice and bright. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but that lens is a little foggy, so I'm going to polish that up. But if you want to see a video I did on how to restore headlights and that outer part of the light, if it gets fogged up, you can check it out via the link above. I'll also have it down in the description. But I'm going to do that, but everything looks good. Okay, well that wraps up this video on how to replace the front turn signal on a Pontiac Firebird. Hope this video was informative for you. I hope it helps you out with any projects you're working on. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in. I'd love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.